Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make salsa like Chipotle. Roast tomatoes and peppers until charred, then blend coarsely. Add onion, cilantro, lime juice, and salt to taste. Adjust heat with jalapenos or remove seeds for milder salsa. Let the salsa rest for at least 30 minutes so flavors meld. Serve with chips or on tacos for an authentic, smoky, and bright result that's easy to recreate at home. Start by charring tomatoes, jalapenos, and a small onion directly over a gas flame or under a broiler until blackened in spots. Let them cool slightly, then peel if you prefer a smoother salsa. Pulse the ingredients in short bursts in a blender to keep a chunky, rustic texture similar to Chipotle. Taste and add salt and lime gradually so you can balance smokiness, acidity, and heat carefully before serving. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is great for staying hydrated while you cook or eat spicy salsa. It seals tight and fits cup holders. I use it between tasting rounds and it saves trips to the sink. Look in the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Seasoning is where your salsa becomes unmistakable. Start with kosher salt and fresh lime juice, then taste and tweak. Add cilantro at the end to keep its leafy brightness from wilting. If you want extra heat, dice an extra jalapeno or add seeds, and for milder salsa, remove seeds or use a milder pepper. Let the salsa rest at room temperature for about 30 minutes to allow flavors to blend before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.